Hello everyone, this is day 10 of DSA problem solving challenge, and today I have solved a problem which is 1903 from Leet code, which is largest odd number in a string. So here problem is like this. You are given a string num representing a large integer. Means we have given one string num which is a large integer. So from that we have to return the largest valued odd integer. From that string we have to find the largest odd value integer. So that is a non-empty substring of num, means which is non-empty substring of that num. If there is not any odd number, then we have to return space if no odd integer exists. A substring is a continuous sequence of characters within a string, means substring should be a continuous character within a string. Here we have one input num equals to 52. This is the largest integer. From this we have to find the odd integer, largest odd integer. So the output is 5, which is up to here only. Means after that we will move, we have even integer, means that should not be an odd number. Means if we divide 52 with 2, it is divisible. Means we have to find the odd number, so it doesn't divisible by 2. Here we have 4206. Here we start from the last index. It is divisible by 2. We move to 0, which is divisible by 2. We have 2, which is divisible by 2. We have 4, which is divisible by 4. Means this integer is not having any odd value. Means we have to return only a space. Here we have third example, which is 35427. If we start from the last index, we divide that by 2, it is not divisible. Means from here to 0th index we have to return this value. So this is the problem. We have to find the solution. So let's move to the logical part. So talking about today's problem logic, we have to find largest odd number in a string. So we have given one string which is numerical string. We have to find largest odd number. Means if there is 2 at the end, we have to delete that part and move ahead. If we here get any odd number, then we have to return up to this string. So we have to return largest valued odd integer. Means if we have this number 35427, we check for the last integer. If this integer is odd, then we will return the full string, because if we divide this by 2, it is not divisible by 2. Means this is an odd number. Then we will return this whole string. So we will use here nums I minus 0. So this will indicate the ASCII value. This is used to find ASCII value, because when we subtract character from character, then it will return the integer or ASCII value of that character. So this should not be divisible by 2. Then we will return this whole string or study from that string. So to check for odd number, if there is no odd number at that place or in that string, then we will return space over there. So here I have taken one example, which is 3542742. Means we start from the last index n-1, which is I equals to n-1. Here this is not an odd number, means this is divisible by 2. Then we will move towards left hand side. Then we will check, is this the odd number? No, this is divisible by 2, means it is not an odd number. We will again move towards left side. Here we have 35427. Here comes 7, which is not divisible by 2, means it is an odd number. We will return the string up to here, means we will start from the 0th index till I minus 1, means up to here. So talking about the pseudocode, we have first find the length of that string, means size of that string. We start from n-1, means last index till 0, and we will decrement the value of I minus minus. Here we will use one if condition. Here this is the part which converts the char to integer, means find the ASCII value of that character, and this should not be divisible by 2. Then only we will move inside this if condition, and we will return substring from 0 to I plus. So we are already done with the logic part. Let's move to the coding part. Here we find the size of that string with the help of n equals to num.size function. We then use for loop which start from the last index to the 0th index, and we will decrement the value of I. Here we will check for condition, if condition. Num of I minus 0, which is used to find the ASCII value of that nums I, and we will divide that by 2. If that is not divisible by 2, then only we will enter this if condition and return the substring starting from the 0th index to that I plus 1 index, means that odd integer. If there is not any odd integer inside that string, we will return space. So this is coding part. That's it. This is day 10. Bye bye.